Okay, we have a Mazak Vertical Machining Center model VCN 510C, serial number 182561. This machine was new in 2005 and we're going to run her for you. Machine has a MAZATROL 640M NEXUS CNC control. We're running, it has a 12,000 RPM spindle Cat 40. The spindle was rebuilt by SPS, that's 500 RPM. 2000, it's very quiet. It's got a 51.18 table by 21.65. 4,000 RPM. 5,000 RPM. 8,000 RPM. Okay. The table travels are, the travels are 41.34 in the X, 20.08 in the Y, and the head vertical travel is 20.08. That was a tool change. You have a 30 ATC side mount tool changer. Machine is also equipped with a RENISHAW probe interface. That's your X. That's your Y. And your Z. Spindle is 25 horsepower and you do have a coolant system too. Hey, thank you for watching our video.